Welcome to this episode of Random Guy Number 6. Today we're going to be tackling another one of these bulkhead lights. Ripping it out, putting drywall over it, and then putting a nice little wall light above the mirror. So the first thing I need to do is to demolish this, cut it all away, and rip it all out. So let's get to it. So now that I got everything ripped open, I'm actually going to be removing this old electrical box and using it as a junction box. So I'm going to remove it, put it on top of the stud, cap it off, and then run wires in this box, and then I need to get those down into this wall. So now that I've got that part of the electrical done, it's time to install the drywall, and then we'll do the actual electrical box later on. Now that the texture and the priming is done, it's time to actually install the light box itself. Now the wires already ran in the wall, and I've got one of these old work boxes with these little tabs on them, so they'll just basically attach right to the drywall. So all I need to do is measure this out, figure out where the box goes, drill a hole, pull the wire through, and pop it in. Well, that's going to do it for this episode of Random Guy Number 6. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.